Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you're all doing great. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the basics of origami, meaning the basic folds of origami. And I have about 7 or 8 folding techniques that I want to show you guys. And with practice, if you're really good at these folds in the future, it's going to be easier for you guys to make the origami models. And they're not that hard, so even a beginner could do this, anyone could do this. So let's get right to it. Right, so the first fold we have is it's called the valley fold, right? And what you do is you basically take any end of the paper and fold it diagonally to this side. So make sure the tips are aligned to be more precise, as you guys can see. Just make sure the tips are aligned and just pinch while holding that point right there. And you want to make a sharper crease like this with your nails, or you could use a ruler, it doesn't matter. So as you guys can see, this is called the valley fold, and the more sharp and aligned your creases are and folds are, the model's gonna come out looking better. So just try and be more sharp. Right, that's the valley fold. Right, so next we have the mountain fold, right? So the mountain fold is basically the same as the valley fold, but on the other side. So if this is a valley fold, a mountain fold is gonna look like this. You just want to fold it along the same line, just backwards. And boom, that is a mountain fold because of its shape like this. It's a mountain fold. And you can take a look at the diagram right here if you guys want to see, and there's just one crease line right here. It's a mountain fold. Right, so guys, for our third fold we have the pleat fold, right? So you want to start off by doing a valley fold. Make sure the tip is aligned. Just pinch like that. Right, now what you want to do is take this flap and fold it behind, just like that. It doesn't matter how far or back you go, you just make sure that these 2 points are in one line. You don't want to do this and fold it, or you don't want to do that and fold it. Make sure it's straight and just fold. Make a tight crease, and there you have it. That is a pleat fold. Basically it's supposed to fold like this. Right guys, so the next fold we have is an inside reverse fold, and you want to start off by making a valley fold just like that. And you can take any of the ends and you want to just fold it like that. Make a crease. Basically what I just did is just notice there's a 90 degree from this line and this line right here. This is the 90 degree right there. So, and unfold it. Let me show you guys the crease. You might not be able to catch it. Right there. There, so it folds along that line. It's 90 degree to this line, and just unfold, and you want to open up the paper, and you want to just push in this part right here like that. There, it just like that, and collapse these two together, like hard crease right there, and the inside reverse fold is done. should look something like this. Right, so for the next fold we have an outside reverse fold, and you can use the same paper. I'm just trying to show you guys how it's going to look like. So right, so for an outside reverse fold, you can take any of the tips and just fold it backwards like this, and there is no reference point, so you could just fold it at any angle like that. Make sure the crease is hard. Unfold. Let me show you guys the crease. It could be anywhere really, so don't worry about that. There we go, here's the crease. And what you want to do is open the paper this way, and you want to fold this backwards like that, so the paper is kind of, you know, folding up. Then you want to fold it back in half. That's the reverse, and as you can see, it should lie flat on that crease you made. So let me show that to you again. This crease, paper should fold back on that crease, these two lines right here, so like that. Fold it like that. Now flatten the paper out, and this is an outside reverse fold. Right, so the next fold we have is the rabbit ear fold. So how you want to do this is fold a valley fold at first. It's normal like that, and then unfold, and you want to take this edge right here and this part and align it with the center line like that. So just like that. Let me show you from here. Make sure it's aligned all the way to the tip. Increase up it, just like that. It's the fold, and let me show you the creases that are formed. So here's one crease, and you want to do it folds along this crease, and the next one is you're going to do the same to this side. So this edge over here aligns with the center like this. So you want to do that, make sure it's aligned and crease it properly like that. Let me show you. Once more, let me draw the creases. So it should look something like this, an X, as you guys can see. Right, so the next part is you push in these two like these two corners inwards, right? So it should collapse on this line. So you push it in inwards just like that, and this point should be aligned. It's like this. You push it inwards and then fold it up, or you could fold it down, it doesn't really matter. And there you have it. That's a rabbit ear fold. It should look like this. Right, so the next fold we have is a petal fold, right? And you want to start off by doing a valley fold this way, and another valley fold, this point to this point. Make sure the points are aligned. Crease. You want to fold the paper in half. Make sure the points are aligned, of course. And you want to fold it again in half to create this crease. So in total there should be 8 creases. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, so the next step is to hold it like this, and you want to bring into these two edges to the center, just like this, and kind of squash this so that the paper aligns and you get something like this. So what I just did was these two corners inwards like that, and crease hard like that. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this edge right here and align it here. So it's gonna look like this. Make sure the crease is hard. Same to the other side, this one. Unfold. So you can see these two are the creases, this one and this one. So you lift up this piece of paper and you want to push in this edge inward so it's aligned with this. What I mean, just push it inwards so that it's aligned. As you can see, it's aligning with the center. And just make a hard crease down as well. And you want to push in this part also, following this crease, the same crease, just like that. And fold it down. So there you have it. Right guys, so the last fold we have is the open sink fold. This is gonna be a bit more tough, so I want you guys to pay close attention to this, right? So you fold both the diagonals, right? The valley folds. Make sure it's aligned. You wanna fold it in half, just once. Unfold, and then you want to bring in these two corners, like these points, down to here. Okay, so what I mean is just push them inwards, just like this. See how it's folding inwards? Just push them inwards and make sure it's aligned. Make sure it comes to one point there. Just flatten it out. Now fold the point down straight, doesn't matter how far, then unfold. And this is when you do the open sink. So you open up the paper. As you guys can see, there is a square made by 4 creases, and you're gonna wanna fold these creases a bit more harder, so like that, and then the 3 other sides. One more side. Right, so once you've done that, just hold the cube like this. As you guys can see, it's formed a box, and you want to push inwards so that these 2 points come inside, as you guys can see. Just push inside. When you push inside, this thing goes inwards, just like that, and you want to close it like that. And there you have it. That's the open sink fold. Show you guys that one more time. It's unfolded. So Once you've got the box, just squeeze the corners together and push inwards, and there we go. That's the open sink fold. So guys, we've reached the end of this video. I thank you all for watching, and if you did like this video, please leave a like and of course do subscribe and stay tuned for more content.